Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your Windows version and making a restore point. This protects you if something goes wrong. Once done, open Settings and navigate to Personalization, then Colors, or in Windows 11 open Background, then Personalization right arrow Colors. Make sure Transparency Effects is visible. If it's off, turn it on now so the taskbar can accept transparency changes. You'll need admin rights for some third-party tools later, so be ready to confirm prompts when they appear. You enable the built-in transparency toggle first. This gives a subtle blur and reduces opacity instantly. If you want full clear transparency or specific opacity levels, use a trusted third-party app like a Taskbar customizer. Once downloaded, run it as administrator so it can modify system UI. Adjust opacity, blur strength, and color tint within the app. Make incremental changes and apply to check results. If the taskbar resets, log out or restart Explorer to force it. You finish by restarting Windows Explorer or rebooting the PC to lock in visual changes. This resolves most transient issues. Make sure to test with different wallpapers to confirm transparency behaves as expected. After major Windows updates, you may need to reapply third-party settings, so save your preferred profile if the tool supports it. If it doesn't work, check that Transparency Effects is still enabled, disable conflicting system themes, and verify the customizer is compatible with your Windows build. That single check often fixes failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.